Is it safe to use a pressure washer to clean air conditioner coils? No, high pressure cleaning risks bending delicate fins and causing lasting damage, so use gentle water flow and careful technique instead. Air conditioner evaporator and condenser coils are made of thin aluminum fins spaced closely to maximize heat transfer, and those fins can bend or tear under concentrated water pressure. Start by turning off power to the unit and removing any protective panels so you can see the coil face. Always follow the equipment manual for access instructions. Use a soft brush or fin comb to remove loose debris and straighten any slightly bent fins by running the comb in the direction of the fins. Do this gently to avoid further damage. For rinsing, use a garden hose with a plain nozzle set to a wide, low-pressure spray and hold the nozzle at least 12 inches from the coil surface, spraying along the fin direction to flush dirt out rather than through the core. For greasy residues or stubborn grime, apply a manufacturer-approved coil cleaner according to label directions. Allow dwell time, then rinse with the same low-pressure technique. Avoid acidic or abrasive cleaners that can corrode metal. After cleaning, allow the coils to dry and inspect for leaks or excessive fin damage before reassembling the unit and restoring power. Common mistakes include using a pressure washer, which concentrates force and can bend fins or rupture thin tubing. The quick fix is to switch to a garden hose and, if blades are deformed, use a fin comb to carefully realign them. Another issue is spraying in the wrong direction and pushing debris deeper into the coil bundle. So always spray in the same direction the fins point and work from the clean side out when possible. A third concern is using harsh chemicals that strip protective coatings. Test cleaners on a small area, follow the cleaner instructions exactly, and choose products labeled safe for aluminum coils. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers project insights that match this cleaning topic to service listings, helping us find professionals when a job exceeds homeowner abilities. We also help contractors discover work and grow business through our listings, and our site includes a discussion community where we and other members share first-hand tips and troubleshooting advice.